Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. Me brings some beautiful, sexy, hot crochet tops design ideas in crop styles, wonderful designing ideas of crochet tops, light colors in dark colors, various stars and designing pattern designs ideas for tops, for girls, for ladies. Outcast, wonderful, sexy, hot, in decent colors, combinations, styles. More unique, more stylish, more elegant. Crop tops, blouses, design ideas in crochet pattern. Don't miss subscribe our channel. Please press the bell icon for more wonderful videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Share with your friends, family members, awesome pattern ideas of crochet blouses, tops, in cami style. Beautiful ideas of crochet pattern for young girls, ladies, mothers. For more wonderful videos, subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon. Stay with us till the end. Hope so you will be like the awesome collection of